Alright, so this time let's welcome Esther for her presentation. Okay? So let's give her a warm round of applause.
Always nice.
Hello, good morning. My name is Steven and my name is Esther. I'm from South Korea. I'm 12 years old. I usually use public transportation, so I choose the public transportation that Koreans use. Now let's begin. In ancient times, we only had two transportation means. At first, people walked, and they used horses, elephants, camels, cows, and buffaloes. Next, they used mules, and they started to use cars, wagons, and cars. Then they all touched the car, and they used boats and ships. Nowadays, we use many different kinds of useful transportation on land, sea, and air. Now there are different kinds of Korean public transportation, like bus and subway. Let's talk about the bus first. A bus is a motorized vehicle for city or intercity transportation of passengers who are standing or sitting. There are four kinds of bus in Korea: red, blue, green, and yellow. The red bus travels wide area. The blue bus travels at many cities. The green bus travels shorter routes, and the yellow bus travels a short distance. Korean public buses have a lot of routes. In Seoul alone, there are five terminals and about 8,600 of stations. UC bus has 28 seats. The maximum capacity is 60 to 70%. For the bus fare, if we use card, although this 1,261 is about 49 pesos. Student is 1,001 is about 39 pesos. Children is 631 is about 27 pesos. If we use cash, although pay 1,301 is about 61 pesos. Student pay 1,101 is about 43 pesos. Children is 701 is about 26 pesos. We can use Simonic cards for riding bus. You can get it at any convenience store, for example, 7-Eleven or GS25. You can also load it with money through convenience stores. Inside the bus have handles, chairs, CCTV, and advertisements. And it provides a seat for customers who are elderly person and disabled. Second is the subway. A subway is an electric railway operating below the surface of the ground you see in a city. Korean subway have a complicated route. Also, we have a lot of stations. The subway fare is using cards for all those it is 1,461 is about 49 pesos. Student is 721 is about 28 pesos. Children is 451 is about 18 pesos. If we use the single journey ticket, although pays 1,361, which is equivalent to 53.80 pesos. The student is paying 1,351 is about 53 pesos. And children is 451 is about 18 pesos. You can get 20% discount of your fare if you take the bus, the first train at 6:30 in the morning. You can use the money card payment bus. The main difference is the bus has bill reader and we put cards upon entering the bus. The subway, to different cars before we ride the subway. We ride the way to go far away and to save time. And the subway offers the right time. Now I will introduce to you something about the pros and cons of subway and bus. First, pros of subway are mainly for the public or ordinary people, and its pros is that we could go someplace faster than any other transportation, and delay time is not that long. Next, let's talk about cons of subway. First, it has noisy environment because of plenty of people, and it could easily spread disease. Because if someone has disease and takes the subway, you can infect it too. Also, subway is more expensive. Second, the pros of bus are better for us to be able to go to near place, and it is cheaper than any other mode of transportation. Next is cons of bus. The waiting time is not that longer because of the traffic, and it is not clean as well, so it could be unhealthy. It is also not comfortable for a lot of passengers. Finally, Korean public transportation is useful and comfortable. Also, we can save money than using our own vehicle. I want to say that using public transportation is better than using a private car. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Any questions?
We have a car.
Okay. Our next presenter is Sungyeon. She's one of my best students. She'll be talking about her goals and aspirations in life. So let's listen how she would realize her dreams.